New Mexico Tech Res Life presents How to Wash Your Laundry, College Edition. NMT Laundry Policies. NMT does not require any extra coins or electronic payment to use the on-campus washers and dryers. NMT washers and dryers are only available to on-campus students. To get into the laundry room, use your student ID card for the laundry room in your dorm hall. NMT washers and dryers are not for dyeing your clothes. Now starting your laundry. The first step is to check to see what you can and cannot dry. These can be found on your clothing tag. Symbols on clothing tags. These symbols show the temperature setting you should use for drying. If this symbol is shown, hang that piece of clothing to dry. Do not dry anything with a high polyester fabric content as your clothes will melt. The solution is just hang dry it. Also, do not dry any delicate items such as bras, lace, silk, satin, or chiffon-like material. For graphic tees, turn the shirt inside out for washing and drying to help prevent any cracking. Next, you'll want to determine the best washing temperature settings for your clothes. These symbols can be found on your clothing tag. Choosing detergent. In the on-campus laundry rooms, both pods and liquid detergent can be used. Make sure that the laundry detergent is high efficiency. Also, choose dryer sheets. Use any brand or fragrance that you want. Start washing. Now, take all dirty clothes and your laundry detergent to the laundry room. Find 2 to 3 empty washers and sort your clothes into separate loads by darks, colors, whites, and delicate items as needed. Next, add your clothes to the washer. Do not overfill the washer, only fill about 75% of the way. Using detergent. Now add your detergent to the washer. If you are using detergent pods, place 1 pod in the drum of the washer. If you are using a liquid detergent, pour about 1 to 2 tablespoons of detergent into the soap tray. The compartment for detergent should be labeled as such. Make sure the detergent does not go above the max fill line. Close the washer doors. Select a temperature setting. Press the start button. Check your work. Water should be filling the drum. Make sure the washer has started spinning and has locked before you walk away. Be sure to set a separate timer on your phone so you know when your laundry is done. The time duration of the wash is visible where you selected your settings. You're halfway done. The NMT washers run for about 27 minutes for a typical load of laundry. Drying. Once your laundry is done washing, choose 2 dryers to keep loads separate. Check to make sure that the dryer is completely empty. Now move the wet laundry from the washer to the dryers. Remove all lint from the lint catcher at the front of the dryer before drying your clothes. Don't forget to check the rubber seal on the washer for any remaining pieces of clothing. Next, add a dryer sheet and then close the dryer. Select a temperature setting and press start. Set a new timer for the time listed for the dry cycle. The dryers at NMT run for 45 minutes per load. Always make sure your laundry is dry before removing it from the dryer. If it is not, simply empty out the lint catcher and run another cycle. Remember to leave the washer doors open to prevent mildew. Now you're done. You've done your laundry and you are ready to fold and put away your clothes. Thanks for watching.